What's good? You all hope you are doing fine. So I'm in this gold say right now. I'm in this gold say. I will just set my stop loss, but man, I just entered into the trade and I didn't even last up to like I'm not even lasting up to like 40 seconds now or 1 minute before the trade has it's almost taking me out. So I will still set my stop loss anyway and we see how the trade is going to play out, but I think this one is going to be a bad trade indeed. So I'll put my take profit as well, doesn't matter. I was planning to aim for like a 1:3 minimum, a 1:3 minimum. So let me put my TP here as well. Is this one going to be a good one? No, I don't think so. I don't think this is going to be a good one because man, it's going aggressively against me. I don't even think I'm going to like send this one to the Telegram group because before I would like do that, I'm sure it would have taken me out. It would have taken me out of this trade. But irrespective of the outcome, we're still going to stay in the trade and we'll see how this one will play out to be. If it eventually play out to be a good one, fine. Otherwise, who knows? But I'm trading the New York section. I just came back from work not quite long ago. The time right now is almost 3 o'clock where I am. So I'm trading the New York session because this week I'm on morning shift. So I'll come back from work then just try and trade in the afternoon, like what I'm doing now. So it seems the trade hasn't yet stopped us out, but I don't think this one is going to be a good one. But before I will send the trade to my free Telegram group, I need to confirm and see. I need to be sure that this trade is not going to stop me out because I don't just want to go and send a signal that people will start losing their money. Though I don't intend for anyone to take my signal, but then I guess anybody who wants to do it might or can, who cares? But just know all risk on you, like this one. I just don't want to go and lose. So I'm going to be keeping my head down and let's see if this one is going to be a good one. Let's see. But I think I have less than $200 to like pass the account. So I was planning or aiming. I was planning to like aim for a 1:3, but since I'm having less than 1:4 to like pass the account, if this trade eventually be a good one, which I see that is going to be a good trade, we just hold. I will hold the trade until let's say it hits TP. If it eventually goes to my direction, I'll wait for it to hit TP. My TP is just, what is my TP? I don't even think I will hold for like 208 if eventually this trade goes to our direction, but I don't think so. So, and my stop loss, I'm risking $52. Okay. So we're just going to screen record and see what the trade will be, whether it will be a good one or not. But this one, before I send it to my Telegram group, I'll wait for it to like go for my direction. If it doesn't go for my direction, then I'll take the loss. And that's going to be it. We'll come again tomorrow and we'll do our stuff. You know how we do it here. No cap. Catch you guys later. Let's screen record and see. And one thing before I forget, there's also high impact news. There's news 3 o'clock, which I forgot. I just forgot to like take the news into consideration before entering into the trade. And yeah, we've been stopped out. We've been stopped out in this one. No, we've been stopped out. Okay, that's going to be it for today. Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. What's good, guys? What's good, guys? Today is Wednesday, and I am in this gold sale right now. I'm in this gold sale. I will just set my stop loss and TP. Let's see if today's trade is going to be a good one. Yesterday was a big loss. Yesterday was a big loss, big one. A big loss we took yesterday. I took yesterday's trade before I could even before I could even send the trade to my Telegram group. In minutes, if not in seconds, the trade just took me out. So yesterday was a loss. So today I'm trading again to see if today is going to be a good one. I'll be aiming for just a 1:3. I'll be aiming for a 1:3. Let's see. if we're going to get exactly what we want or not. But whatever the case is, if I take a loss today again, then that's going to be it for this week. I'm not going to be trading again this week. Let's see if we eventually get what we want or not. I think I think we might get stopped at the news. But anyway, let me send the trade to my free Telegram group and tell them I'm in this gold sale right now. Gold sale. Let's see, where did I will take the position? If I'm going to like, where did I take the position? Where did I take the position? Is this trade going to be a good one? But I don't know. I don't know if this trade is going to be a good one, but that we get to discover. If the trade eventually goes for a 1:1.5, I will break even. I'm aiming for 1:3, but I don't know if this trade is going to be a good one. Let's send the trade to the Telegram group. Let's see. This is where I entered into the trade. Okay, I think I'm going to send the trade to the free Telegram group right now. Tell them copy image and paste. I'm in this gold. Are we going to be able to send it to them before? I'm in this gold sale. Are we even going to be able to send it to them before the trade? Okay, I'll be breaking even in this trade because it has hit a 1:1.5. So we'll break even. And right now the trade is a risk-free trade. We'll be aiming for just 1:3. Let's see if we're going to get exactly what we want or not. So I'll screen record and we'll see if this trade is going to hit TP or not. But whatever the case is, risk right now is, I would say, managing this trade. So we just screen record and see. Catch you guys later. So guys, just a quick update. I don't know what came wrong, but I used the trade manually. I was to aim for 1:3, but gold is just so volatile this afternoon, and so I was able to exit the trade on a 1:2. I just aimed for 1:3 because I could have head for a 1:3 and maybe my TP would have been hit, but I just took my pie and went off the market for that hearing story for the gold because yesterday I took a loss. So right now, more or less, I would say we are back to where the point where we are before last week. So I took a 1:2. Tomorrow I will come again. I will trade. Tomorrow will be the last day. So we'll see. We might take a loss. We might also take a win as well tomorrow. But I don't know. Whatever the case is, we'll see to that. Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. What's good, guys? Hope you all are doing fine. So today is Thursday and the time presently is 15:14. That's the time. GMT +1 in my place here where I live. So I just came back from work not quite long ago. And as usual, I presented myself in front of the chat to trade. But then, as I went to go and check Forex Factory, let's go to Forex Factory. So I checked Forex Factory to see if there's any high impact news, which I always do before entering any trade these days, because otherwise you might just go and take a position and then all of a sudden you get chopped out because you didn't like check the news. So I checked the news, or I checked Forex Factory and today I saw there is bank holiday. There's USD bank holiday. I know what that means. That means sometimes the market can be very, very choppy, and that's basically what just happened today, like what's happening today. So throughout the whole, I think after a London session, even the New York session right now, it's just been choppy apart from the little move it made in the Asian session and also in the London session as well. But then the rest has just been a choppy market. If I should take you guys to trading view, TradingView are even having their Black Friday offer. Okay, that's not what we want to see. If I should take you guys to TradingView, this is how the market is looking right now. Presently, like, it has just been choppy after the London session. So after the London session, the market has just been like, let's say, basically ranging. It hasn't been like moving at all. So I guess it's because of the US bank holiday. So just like we all know, US dollars is still like the universal currency in the world. As much as we might not like it, also if we don't like it, it's still the universal currency. So since they are having their bank holiday, obviously you should expect the market to be a little bit choppy, at least in some session. So like this one here, it's been choppy in the New York session. So what does that mean? That means that today I won't be trading at all. I don't want to go into the market and all of a sudden I'll just get chopped out. So today I will not be trading. Today, no trade for me. So with that being said, let's look at this week. How did this week go for me? This week I would say was a pretty normal week for me, bro. I took a trade yesterday which gave a 1:3, but I closed it in the 1:2 before it could even hit my TP. And on Tuesday, that's why I traded and I got stopped out. Immediately I entered the trade, I was stopped out just in seconds or maybe minutes before I could even like send the signal to the Telegram group, like I said that same Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know why I said it. But before I could send the signal to the Telegram group, I was stopped out in this one. And these are the 2 trades I've taken for the week. I would say I don't intend trading again this week because usually on Friday I don't trade. On Friday, it's not like I have any rules surrounding that, but on Friday, why I don't trade is because I like take that day off to like edit my videos because I have other stuff going on in my life as well. I have other stuff going on in my life as well, and I also work my 9 to 5, so you should expect that I don't really have that much time. So let me take you guys to my to my fundingpips and account. This is how it is looking, my fundingpips chart. So this week we're able to like make more or less 1%, or 1%, because we took a loss on Tuesday, while on Wednesday we got a 1:2 win, though I could have head for a 1:3. Like that's just the same problem I'll be like passing through, holding my trade for at least minimum 1:3. I just don't know what's wrong with me. I don't hold trade for a 1:3. I just close it, which is crazy, which is very, very crazy, guys. But I guess from next week I'll start holding my trade for definitely 1:3. I should be holding my trade for a 1:3 at least minimum. So that being said, let's go to my portal, my fundingpips portal. So presently, this is how the account is looking right now. We are up 5.24% in profit, and this is what is left for me to pass the challenge. 130, less than $140 to pass the challenge. I guess if I can catch a good trade and I'm able to like hold the trade for a 1:3, I'll pass this phase 1 of the challenge just with one trade if I can just catch a good setup. So I guess that will be next week, because this week, like I said, I'm not going to be trading again for this week, since today being Thursday that I wanted to like trade, there was the US bank holiday. So that's going to be it for this week. I guess that's just going to be it for this week. This week was, I don't want to say a less busy week in terms of trading, because I just took 2 trades, and the first one was a loss while the second one was a win for a 1:2. I could have head for a 1:3 like I said, but I don't know, I just can't get over that fear of like holding my trades long. I don't know, I pray God help me. So I guess this where we're going to wrap it for this week, and next week we'll come back again and we'll do our stuff. You know how we do it here. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and also leave a like in case you are enjoying the content, and at least that also encourage me to like keep the consistency and also bring more of those videos out. So until next week, I will catch you guys. Bye for now. Peace.